Fried ice cream. Have you tried it? I love it. Here are my top 5 flavors. Of course, Thai iced tea. Who doesn't like ube? It's also great with green tea flavor. And this is the special one, boba milk tea. Mixing flavors, yum!
Okay, so guys, here I am at Nina's kitchen making my fried ice cream.
Okay,
Let's see.
For today's lunch recipe, we're going to make fried ice cream. It's a freestyle topping. You can put anything. Be creative. I love to top it with whipped cream and fruits. Believe me that you, your family, and your guests will love it. Now it's time to prepare it. The ingredients are simple: ice cream, white bread, and all-purpose flour. I found this tiger boba ice cream and I fell in love with it, so I would like to share it with you. How good it can be, ice cream and boba. It will be great. We're going to use 2 slices of bread at a time. First, cut off the edges of the bread. Next, flatten the bread with the rolling pin or a wide bottle. Place a scoop of ice cream on 1 slice of bread and fold it upwards and cover with another slice of bread. Make sure that all of the ice cream is covered. Carefully squeeze and pressing slightly to seal the overlaps. Cover it with all-purpose flour, especially the area that has exposed ice cream. Try to shape it in a round ball. The last step is wrap it with aluminum foil. And mark the flavor at the front. Freeze it at least 6 hours. I normally keep it overnight. You can keep these ice cream balls in the freezer for about 2 months and just bring it out whenever you want to fry it. If you like more than one flavor, go ahead to mix it together. This one is ube and green tea. Can you tell that my friends are so happy? We're ready to fry our ice cream. My oil is at the right temperature, 375, and I'm going to carefully drop it. We're gonna fry it about 20 to 30 seconds only, so that the outside is gonna be crispy and ice cream is still cold. That's what we want. Okay, it's done.
Get it, girl.
Center that.
Oh, hell yeah!
Oh, there's how you do whipped cream.
And the cherry on the top.
No, I'm a blueberry on top. I'm not big on cherry.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, it's only pure ube.
Only pure ube?
It's
Oh,
That's my color.
that's my color.
You'll like the picture. Just here.
Oh my god.
That's it.
It's all.
See that?
Dang, you're a pro, man. Nina's kitchen works. There's no rules, girl.
You can do whatever you want.
Go to
Yeah, it's
town.
yours.
Oh, look at
Wow.
And for the cherry.
That's yours.
Yum. Are you surprised that this is the easy and simple recipe for the fried ice cream? Oh my goodness. And this is the same recipe that I made for my customers when I owned a Thai restaurant for 22 years in California. I hope that you enjoy this recipe and make it at home. See you next time. Bye.